token airdrop that you're actually looking now, I've been sharing with my community, and I assure you that nobody in my community will be getting nothing less than $500. Yes, I kid you not. And this is the price of the token that you can see. It has actually recently dropped to around $342.22. So I'll be sharing with you everything that you need to know. And if you join my community, I'll be dropping the my community WhatsApp link in the description of this particular video. Let me quickly share with you this particular airdrop that is actually trending on X account. Let me show you how we'll go about it. So if you have been engaging, posting about this particular TAO project that a lot of people have been doing, I tell you that this particular airdrop is going to cook. And this is one thing that a particular task that they have told us to do. If you fail to this particular task, I tell you, they may be unable to actually track your point. And that is why you need to actually follow me diligently, watch everything I'm going to do in this particular video. Don't forward it, because you just need to watch everything I'm going to explain in this particular video. You could see now, they told us that week 1, August 28. So you could see it says submit 23 reward interactive with noses contact. So I will share with you how we are going to be doing. If you haven't started, I'll be dropping this. Is not a referral based particular project or airdrop. No, it's not a referral base. So I'll be dropping the link you need that will actually bring you to this particular place. I'll be dropping it in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. So what you need is that if you are type on it, if you are click on that particular link and it does not bring you here, so what you need to do is to come to this particular place and tap on this, and you see this particular one that actually says tax. Currently, the leadership board has not been working because we did not know the actual point that everybody has actually gotten. And if you want what your effort to actually be in waste, yes, that is why you need to actually perform this particular task, so that they will be able to track all your activities that you have been doing. So you tap on this particular task, it will bring you still bring you to this particular place. And if it is not working, you just have to download the VPN and you have to reload it. Will show you. So what you need to do is that if it has brought you to a particular place, you tap on quotes. Yeah, you tap on quotes. It will take me to my X account now. Let's wait. So this is it now. So what I need to do is that I want to quote it. Yes, I want to quote. So let me record. So let me quickly write something. So as you can see, I've actually completed my post that I've actually quoted on X, and you can see that there are some certain names that I actually call out, which is very, very important if you are also doing yours, and like this one now, because these are what we use to actually track our post that we have actually written about this particular project. That you can see now, you can see this particular name, you can see this one, and this particular token. So this particular post, I want every one of us that you are seeing it, I'll be dropping it in the description and also in the comment section of the lab. Try to engage, because the more you engage, you coach, you repost. Also, as I'm earning point, likewise you are also earning point. This is not based on the amount of friends or followers that individual have. In as much you are coaching anybody that talks about particular projects, the amount of point that they are earning is also the amount of point that you likewise that you are coaching or commenting or retweeting also will also be actually earning. So let me quickly post it. Let me post it. Yes, it says my post has actually gone through. My post actually let me so yes, this is that particular post. My post has gone through, and you could see it says 18 seconds ago. So this is what you need to do now ASAP now as you are following me. So you need to come to this particular section here. Yes, that particular where you can see my arrow, you tap on it. The next thing you need to do is that you have to copy this particular link. Immediately you have copied it, don't forget that I said you just have to follow this particular point. You can drop your message, because I'll be dropping the link to also this post here, and you can also retweet. Make sure you retweet and like. Immediately you are doing all those things, the number of points I'm getting, likewise you too, you'll be also be getting it. These are our way you'll be able to rank, because this is not actually referral based, and you'll be able to get it. So when you come to this particular, you could see part of the instruction, they say add this users inceptive AI to your post. This tag is how emission are tracked. Do you see? Like I say it's very, very important. That is, it starts any diplomatic TAO for your nuisance post. You will see all these things that have been mentioned here is what is actually contained in my post, and you also have to submit our URL to that particular post. So I've copied my URL. So this is it. The next thing I'll have to do now is to actually tap on this submit. That means I've completed the task. Then they will be able to, you see the task successfully committed. Your submission is being review. So that is what you just need to do about this particular post. So I'll be dropping everything, my community link in the description of this particular video, and also the post to this particular tweet that you can also retweet, like, and also drop your comment. And don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so that you're going to try anytime I upload any other new video. And if you want to join in my community, the WhatsApp link is in the description of this particular video. Thank you and bye bye for now.